Hey guys, it's a Friday and I know probably you guys would have been expecting a makeup tutorial, but I wanted to introduce this new series to you all. So one Friday of every month, like one random Friday, doesn't have to be like a particular Friday, but one Friday of every month I'm gonna do a fitness video which you're gonna be naming Fitness Fridays, which is not very unoriginal or new or something, but I couldn't come up with something better. So we're gonna be doing a Fitness Friday on one Friday of each month. Now the reason that I wanted to do this was because not only will I try to help out people who are struggling with fitness and everything, it will be a journal for me as well, because I struggle a lot with fitness. I've been struggling for 4 or 5 years now, and I have a weight and a body type that gains very quickly, but like when you have to lose it, it takes ages and ages and ages. It's like tanning. You get tanned in 7 minutes and then you'll take the whole year to like get back to your normal color, if you want to get back to your normal color, that is. So yes, I'm going to be doing these Fitness Friday videos wherein we're going to be doing exercises, healthy recipes, just talk through videos on motivation and stuff. And I really wanted to do this for a long time, but I wanted to first gather all of the information that I required, ask you guys, just like what you want to see. So just straight through the video, I want to say that if there's something in particular that you guys would like to see in Fitness Friday videos, then do not forget to comment below and let me know. I would love to incorporate them in my future Fitness Friday videos. Anyways, today's video is going to be like a basic fitness video wherein I'm going to talk to you guys about why you should do it, my reasons, my motivation and stuff like that, so that you guys have a certain backup idea and maybe just get some sort of inspiration from what I have been through and what I've done. So as I said, I've been struggling for weight issues for a really long time now. I was always a chubby kid. My body type is a very broad body structure. My shoulders are broad, my bone structure is quite broad. So it also adds into the image of me being of a particular size. And when we're talking about Fitness Fridays, I would like to tell you that we are not looking at becoming a certain size, but we're looking at a more holistic fitness approach to all of it. I do not appreciate the fact that people want to exercise to get to a particular size only. We should more look for we should look for fitness and everything. I do not get the fad of size 0. It's not healthy. It's just not advisable. If you're born with a body structure like that, wherein you eat anything and you do not gain, then that's a different issue, but you still should work out. It's not like you should work out to be a certain size or a shape or to lose weight or something like that. If you're working out, you should work out to keep your internal organs healthy, your lifestyle healthy, keep yourself fit. Now, I've had weight issues because of my PCOD issue. It's a hormonal imbalance in your ovaries. If you don't know, I have a whole video on it. You can go there and check that out. I will have a link in the bottom bar for you guys. Now, the reason why I want to be of a certain size or be fit or something like that is because PCOD is both directly and inversely proportionate to the body size and your physical well-being and healthy state. So if you gain weight, you also have like PCOD also rapidly increases. Now if you reduce your weight, PCOD rapidly goes down as well. That doesn't mean you have to be a size 0. I have been, the lowest that I've dropped down is a 56 kgs, which I achieved back in 2014. Now a lot of people don't know this, but after 2014 I rapidly gained my weight back post August because my grandma passed away, and I also suffer from binge eating. So I'm an emotional eater. On top of it, I have PCOD, and then my weight is, my body type is that sort of right that even like air हवा भी लग जाती है. Like it's a Hindi saying that कुछ लोगों को घी भी नहीं लगता and कुछ को हवा भी लग जाती है. So yeah, I'm that sort of a person that even if I don't eat a lot of junk food, like a lot of people have this misconception that you eat junk food and that's why you are fat. That's not the case. Like I have a cousin who's so slim and she eats double of what I eat and more unhealthy than what I eat, and still she's like this thin. So, I would like to clear up that misconception. It's not what you eat generally. Obviously, what you eat will show in your body, but not always. That's not always the case. Now, as for me, I'm not a foodie. Like, a lot of people don't know this about me. I'm not a foodie. Yeah, I love my desserts, but because I'm a vegetarian, my choice gets restricted a lot. Like, trust me when I say this, it gets restricted a lot, especially in desserts, because you can't eat half of the cake because they have eggs and stuff like that, and I do not take that. So, and obviously because I don't even have onion and garlic, so my junk food choice also gets reduced massively. So just saying that. And anyways, on top of that, I'm not a very big foodie. I don't eat a lot. I eat very small portions. So yeah, just like letting you guys know about that. So first of all, you need to clear up this notion that you have to eat a particular diet in order to be of a particular shape. or someone must be having a lot of food to be of that size. Just saying. So yeah, now coming back, obviously you must try to follow as healthy of a diet as you can, but sometimes you should indulge in whatever you prefer or whatever you want to have, because if you're depriving your body of something, then your body will revolt back, and whenever you put that thing in, because you can't obviously follow like a particular strict diet for life and beyond, you will go out someday, you will have something, and your body will like hold on to it, cling on to it, and put it directly into the fats component. So you must not deprive your body ever. Have a holistic diet. We have a food chart wherein we're given proteins, carbs and everything, so have it completely so the body knows that yeah, I'm gonna get my food, I don't need to panic, I don't need to store fat. So yes, have a holistic diet. And then obviously workout is something that I swear by. Now what happened with me was like when my nanny passed away, I sort of like I won't say depression, but obviously you are saddened by that fact, and then you're just like I don't need to do anything. So at that point of time, I was working out at home by myself, and that's how I reduced, because I am not like, I now go to a gym because I cannot work out at home in a particular time period. I don't have that time period because most of the times at night time I'm recording. So that's why just to make a routine, I have like started a gym process. Before that, I was going for aerobics, and there was a time period when I was just exercising at home at night time, and I reduced massively. That was like the best phase of my life. I went out, as I said, to 56 kg. I had a very good, like a normal figure, I wasn't overly thin or overly fat. Currently I am not the best shape of me, not only physically but mentally as well. I don't feel good a lot of times, although from my medical reports and blood tests and everything, I am completely fit, except PCOD. We won't take that into consideration, but I'm talking about cholesterol and everything of that sort. Everything is like A1 perfect, but I don't feel mentally good because of PCOD. You also get like your hormones, they generally play up with your mind, they screw up your mind, and you don't feel good about yourself. You feel lethargic, you feel a lot of million feelings, and that's what I have been feeling. So that's why I wanted to make this my online journal, and just like every month we log in one time, see what progress are we having and everything, so that we're on the same page. I know a lot of people suffer from just weight issues and everything, and I also know that a lot of people need people around them to help, and that this is the medium that I wanted to use to just make you comfortable with me. I don't care if you're a size 0 already, you still should work out to keep yourself healthy. I don't care if you're a size 20, you should still work out to keep yourself healthy. Even if you're healthy, to maintain the healthiness, work out. Just work out, no matter what your shape, size, anything is. I know there are a lot of people who are looking for weight reduction in a particular program, and I'm not saying it's a wrong thing. I'm just saying it's a wrong thing if you want to follow it as a fad or a trend. Don't do that. I know there's so many people who struggle with weight issues and they can't find the perfect motivation, and I have been there. Trust me when I say this, I've been there, because I've always been a fat kid. I've always listened to people be like, just reduce your weight, just do that, and I was always like, but I can't. Like, I would walk for 2 days and then give up. I would exercise for 2 days and then I would give up. I'm like, I can't do this shit. So yeah, I know that. So that's what Fitness Friday is going to be all about. We're going to be looking at from a broader perspective. We're going to be looking at exercises, motivation. We're going to be doing diets and everything of that sort. So yes, please leave in your comments down below, letting me know what you feel about this series and what you want to see in this series. I would love, as I said, to incorporate your views on it, and that was my kind of informational background and everything. And do not also let me know what is your background, why are you looking at fitness, like what is your main agenda for fitness. And yeah, we could just connect a little bit more, get a little bit more personal, and be workout buddies or something like that. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it was helpful for you in some or the other way. I'm not too sure how helpful this video would be, but yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.